Lionel Andres Leo Messi, born the 24th of June, 1987, is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward four and captains both Major League Soccer, Club Inter Miami, and the Argentina national team. Widely regarded as one of the greatest players in history. Messi has set numerous records for individual accolades won throughout his professional footballing career, including 8 Ballons d'Or, 6 European Golden Shoes, and being named the world's best player by FIFA 8 times. In 2025, he was named the all-time men's world best player by the IFFHS. Messi is the most decorated player in the history of professional football, having won 46 team trophies. His records include most goals in a calendar year 91, most goals for a single club 670 for Barcelona, most goals in La Liga 474, most assists in the FIFA World Cup 12, and most assists in international football. Messi has scored over 910 senior career goals and provided over 410 assists for club and country, resulting in over 1,320 goal contributions, the highest total in the sport's history. In 2004, Messi made his competitive debut for Barcelona at age 17. He gradually established himself as an integral player for the club. And during his first uninterrupted season in 2008-09, he helped Barcelona achieve the first treble in Spanish football. This resulted in Messi winning the first of 4 consecutive Ballons d'Or, and by the 2011-12 season he had set the European record for most goals in a season and established himself as Barcelona's all-time top scorer. During the 2014-15 season, where he became the all-time top scorer in La Liga, he led Barcelona to a historic second treble, earning his 5th Ballon d'Or. Messi was named Barcelona's captain in 2018. While playing for the club, he won a club record 30 for trophies, including 10 La Liga titles and for UEFA Champions Leagues. Financial difficulties at Barcelona led Messi to depart in 2021 and sign with Paris Saint-Germain, where he won the Ligue 1 title twice and was awarded the Ligue 1 Foreign Player of the Year for 2022-23. He joined the MLS club Inter Miami in 2023 and led them to their first MLS Cup victory in 2025, while also winning back-to-back League MVP awards in 2024 and 2025. With Argentina, Messi is the national team's all-time leading goal scorer and most capped player. Several years after his senior debut in 2005, he won the gold medal at the 2008 Summer Olympics. Assuming captaincy in 2011, he led Argentina to 3 consecutive finals in the 2014 World Cup, the 2015 Copa America, and the Copa America Centenario, all of which they lost. After announcing his retirement from international football in 2016, he returned to help Argentina qualify for the 2018 World Cup. Messi was central to ending Argentina's 28-year trophy drought by winning the 2021 Copa America. In 2022, he led Argentina to its first World Cup victory in 36 years and became the first player to win the World Cup Golden Ball twice. He claimed his 3rd major international title when Argentina won the 2024 Copa America, and he led his country to a 3rd World Cup final in 2026. Messi has endorsed the sportswear company Adidas since 2006. He was ranked the world's highest-paid athlete by Forbes in 2019 and 2022, and was among Time's 100 most influential people in the world in 2011, 2012, and 2023. In 2020 and 2023, he was named the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year, the first team sport athlete to win the award. In 2020, Messi became the 2nd footballer and 2nd team sport athlete to surpass $1 billion in career earnings. In 2026, he appeared on the world's billionaires list for the first time with a net worth of $1.1 billion. Following his arrival and impact on football in the United States, Messi was named Time's Athlete of the Year in 2023 and was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by U.S. President Joe Biden in 2025. Lionel Andres Messi was born on the 24th of June, 1987 in Rosario, Santa Fe Province, 26th the third of 4 children of Jorge Messi, head of department at the Ascendar pressed steel manufacturer in Villa Constitution, and his wife Celia Cucitini, who worked in a magnet manufacturing workshop. His parents met as youngsters in Rosario's southeastern district of Las Heras, where Messi himself later grew up, and married on Jorge Messi's completion of military service in the Argentine Armed Forces in 1978. On his father's side, Messi is of Italian and Spanish descent, the great-grandson of immigrants from the north-central Adriatic Marsh region of Italy, with his surname coming from Puerto Ricanati, and on his mother's side he has primarily Italian ancestry. Growing up in a tight-knit, football-loving family, Leo developed a passion for the sport from an early age, playing constantly with his older brothers, Rodrigo and Masches, and his cousins Maximiliano and Emanuele Biancucci, both of whom became professional footballers. At the age of 4, Messi joined the local football club Abanderato Grandoli, where he was coached by his father. His maternal grandmother, Celia, accompanied him to training and matches. He was greatly affected by her death shortly before his 11th birthday. Since then, as a devout Catholic, he has celebrated his goals by looking up and pointing to the sky in tribute to his grandmother. Personal life. Since 2008, Messi has been in a relationship with Antonella Roccuzzo, whom he married on the 30th of June 2017 in their home city of Rosario. Roccuzzo is the cousin of Messi's childhood best friend, Lucas Scaglia, and Messi has known her since he was 5 years old. After keeping their relationship private for a year, Messi confirmed their romance in an interview in January 2009. Messi and Roccuzzo have 3 sons born in 2012, 2015, and 2018. To celebrate Roccuzzo's first pregnancy, Messi placed the ball under his shirt after scoring in Argentina's 4-0 win against Ecuador on the 2nd of June 2012, before confirming the pregnancy in an interview 2 weeks later. Messi and his family are Catholic. Messi has a close relationship with his immediate family members, particularly his mother, Celia, whose face is tattooed on his left shoulder. His professional affairs are largely run as a family business. His father, Jorge, has been his agent since he was 14, and his oldest brother, Rodrigo, handles his daily schedule and publicity. His mother and other brother, Masha's, manage his charitable organization, the Leo Messi Foundation, and take care of personal and professional matters in Rosario. Since leaving for Spain at age 13, Messi has maintained close ties to Rosario, even preserving his distinct Rosarino accent. He has retained ownership of his family's old house, although it has long stood empty, and he maintains a penthouse apartment in an exclusive residential building for his mother, as well as a family compound just outside the city. Messi keeps in frequent contact with a small group of confidants in Rosario, most of whom were fellow members of the machine of '87 at Newell's Old Boys. He was on bad terms with the club after his transfer to Barcelona, but by 2012 their public feud had ended, with Newell's embracing its ties with Messi and issuing a club membership card to his newborn son. Messi has long planned to return to Rosario to end his playing career at Newell's. Messi has citizenship in Argentina, Italy, and Spain. Tax fraud. Messi came under investigation in 2013 for suspected tax evasion in Spain. Offshore companies in tax havens such as Uruguay, Switzerland, and Belize were used to evade 4.1 million euros in taxes related to his sponsorship earnings between 2007 and 2009. Messi, who pleaded ignorance to the scheme, voluntarily paid arrears of 5.1 million euros in August 2013. On the 6th of July 2016, Messi and his father were both found guilty of tax fraud and were given suspended 21-month prison sentences and ordered to pay 1.7 million euros and 1.4 million euros in fines, respectively. 442 in court, Messi told the judge, "I just played football. I signed the contracts because I trusted my dad and the lawyers, and we had decided that they would take charge of those things." An unrelated shell company in Panama set up in 2012 was subsequently identified as belonging to the Messis in the Panama Papers data leak. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.